Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to keep screen recording when screen is off on Android. So in order to do that, you'll not be able to find the inbuilt feature in the screen recorder of your device. So what you have to do is use the third-party application. For that, the best application would be Is It screen recording application. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here the Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Is It Screen Recorder. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the option for screen recorder, Is It Recorder. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. I've already installed this recorder. In fact, I'm using it right now. So if you haven't installed it, in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it, wait for a while and it will be installed. Now once this application has been installed, you'll be able to find this kind of icon. So what you have to do is simply tap on it. After that, you'll be able to find the video icon over here. Simply tap on it and your recording will be started. I'm not being able to see the video icon right now because I'm already recording the screen. Now once you start the screen recording, even when your screen is off, you can see over here the recording will not stop. So like this, you'll be able to record the screen even when your screen is off. So that is how you keep screen recording when screen is off on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.